Now, testing of type 3 anion. The only example we have to discuss here is sulphate SO4 2-. This can be tested by some precipitation reaction. Let us look at reactions of sulphate. Number 1, this gets number 8 in our list. The first reaction is sulphate plus barium chloride. You get a white precipitate of BaSO4. This is insoluble in dilute mineral acids. You get a white precipitate of barium sulphate. Number 2, sulphate plus lead acetate. Here also you get a white precipitate, but this time due to formation of PbSO4. One more reaction. Sulphate is made to react with mercuric nitrate. You get a yellow precipitate, HgSO4 dot to HgO. This is a yellow precipitate. So, these are some important precipitation reactions of sulphate. Sulphate can give precipitate with barium chloride, lead acetate, even mercuric nitrate. You get a basic mercuric sulphate precipitate which has yellow color.